So this is probably not an unfamiliar scene from any given house with a lot of devices that needs to be charged. You know, it works, but it ain't pretty. So I actually came up with something different. So the solution that I came up with consists of five, depending on how you look at it, components. So the first two are a Xiaomi power plug that can be programmed by my Xiaomi app, and also by this button, also from Xiaomi, that can then turn on and off this switch. So those two can be sort of paired. So that's my solution in regards to the power. And then in terms of charging, I've found this cable that really consists of, again, of two parts. So there's the charging cable itself, and then an adapter. And these adapters you then buy in the type of plugs that you need. This is a Lightning version. You can also get micro USB, USB-C, you know, whatever you need, basically of the standard types. And this cable then snaps onto the adapter, and so you could use the same cable for multiple adapters, which is very clever. And the last part of it is this, which is then used for the cable's not floating around, but can actually be snapped onto a magnetic plate. So this kit consists of two components. A magnetic backplate, there are two of them, one big and one small, and then a couple of these magnet that snaps onto the cable itself, so they can attach itself to the magnetic plate. But let me show how it ended up. And now your discs look like this, which is a pretty big improvement. So what is the magic then? So I have my chargers sitting with the magnetic snaps to the magnetic backplate that could be used for charging. The adapters aren't actually, they are plugged into the power plug. You can see it here. There we have it. But that will only be turned on if I press this button from Xiaomi. So now you can see it had power. It has a blue light. You can't turn that part off. It is what it is. Once the charging is done, the power plug can actually detect that the current is then reduced to almost nothing. And if it detects that this has been going on for a couple of minutes, it then turns itself off. Similar to, I would now do it manually, like this. And now your power bricks don't have power, which is nice, because there has been known cases, you know, where one of these power bricks, they suddenly catch fire if they are powered on for a prolonged period. So it's actually very nice for me to have these things powered off when they are not in use. Okay, so I hope we can agree that that looks a lot nicer, and you know, is also fairly clever, because these cables, you know, can again charge multiple types of devices with different power socket, because these adapters, you know, can come in USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, which are, you know, pretty much covers everything in the tablets, phone section these days. And again, the part where it snaps to the adapter is also very clever, you know, so it's very easy for children to charge their devices, because they don't have to put the plug into the device, you know, where they turn it the wrong way. You can't, you know, turn this the wrong way, and it easily separates if someone pulls on the cable. That's good. The magnet backplate, where you get a big backplate, a small backplate, and 3 cable clips. This, the cable and one adapter costs roughly $3.50. The magnet with the backplates and the cable clips cost around $3.50. The button and the switch and the power strip. The power strip is around $19-20, and this one is around $8. Again, you can find links in the description field. I hope this can inspire you guys to get a better looking charging area in your house. Yeah, have fun.